Country people, now welcome back to my channel today. Beauty Tukura is now a Lamborghini owner, and also Queen maybe say just get engaged. The full story about her engagement and her relationship with her baby daddy don't finally surface for internet. So as we all know, Queen, ever since she come out and announce her engagement to the love of her life, a lot of issues don't they come up for her from her baby daddy. My baby daddy dey come out dey frustrate the girl because he no want make she go London, all those type of thing. So e come turn out say a particular Twitter handler come out to come call out Queen. From wetin Lamborghini abi wetin be that guy name, Lord Lamba, tell the particular person, na make the person dey base e judgement on that. But as the bloggers come see say the people don wan dey change the narrative, na so the truth come start to dey fly dey come out. E come turn out say Lamba, on the other hand, is from Anambra State. And from the things wey be say we know for this country about Anambra men, their parents, especially their mama, no dey allow them marry outside their tribe. So according to the blogger wey bring her, the blogger name na Cutie Joes. The blogger dey try to explain wetin sup with evidence. This one no be story, e bring evidence come out. So the blogger dey claim to say according to how the thing take start, from the very first day wey be say Queen carry her pikin go meet Lord Lamba mother for the first time, say na there na problem start to dey wait for her, especially immediately she step her foot into the father's house. Getting there, Queen come meet doctor for inside the house. The doctor dey wait for her to take samples of the pikin to take do DNA. Lamba mama dey claim to say Queen na wayward girl since she no come from Anambra State. To the ex ten t say Lamba mama no gree touch the pikin, no gree carry the pikin. E say if dem no do DNA test for that pikin, say she no go carry the pikin. The excuse wey Lamba, wey be full grown man, give Queen be say na her mama tell am to say she see vision, say Queen na wayward girl. If una notice, when Queen dey inside Big Brother house, Queen dey dress some certain way. She dey always like reveal her body. She dey always like wear things like that. But ever since that girl come out from Big Brother house, I don notice say she dey dress decent. Maybe na because of this Lord Lamba issue that make she come even change like that. So as the woman talk that thing, Queen come dey swear to say na be true, say she no be wayward person, all the type of dey try to convince Lord Lamba mama. But to cut the long story short, Queen come carry the pikin samples for DNA, and e come out say na 99.9% match with the father. Come finally confirm say Lord Lamba na be really the papa of Queen pikin. So fast forward to the child dedication, wetin be her name, Queen family don suggest say the child dedication make dem do am for Lamba and mama church, because dem don see the way Lamba and the mother dey close. The mama come talk say no, make her church member know to say her pikin born her grandchild come from a wayward girl wey no be Igbo. Una go check wetin be the woman name, Lamba mama social media handle. You go see say she dey post her other grandchildren wey be say dey born from Igbo land, but Queen own she no dey gree post am because Queen is wayward. Mama also dey claim say Queen, say the pikin wey be say dey born, the pikin name na Princess, say the pikin wey Queen born for Lamba, say the pikin nose no resemble Lamba nose, which means she still dey get doubt even after they don do DNA, after she see say the DNA na 99.9%. So later the woman come dey blame Queen, to say na Queen na come carry the matter come give us bloggers and the general public concerning her pregnancy. That time she come out come post the baby bump. So since they born the pikin, turn out say na only 3 times na the pikin don sleep for Lamba house, because the mama thought say e no want any child from a wayward girl like Queen. And mind you, Lamba get an Igbo girl wey be say dey date with Queen, Igbo girl. So this na the evidence wey be say they drop. This na the evidence. If you look for here, you go see the Igbo girl wey be say the girl snap. Na Queen na dey chat Lamba up for here. So you can't say, I guess because I'm not Igbo, right? She can't put crying emoji. Lamba got and say, I remember telling you on a video call. So if you see anything online, won't you tell me first before blaming me? So Queen na come do voice video, come dey tell the Lamba to say, see from the video self, you go see when she dey still dey call the guy babe, even with everything wey be say they go on with her. So make una lis ten to wetin she dey talk for herself.
8 months, 8 good months, 3 days, 3 days, 3 days she has spent straight with you. The rest is visiting, come see you go. Before we even came that 3 months, that 3 days that we came, I can remember I was driving and I said to you, babe, I'm not saying I want to pack my bag and come and stay in your house. I'm just saying we just want to come and stay a few days to bond. I can remember having that discussion before this one even happened. Babe, I came to your house, baby. I came to your house. I'll be calling you. I'll be calling you. Your phone will be on airplane mode. Like I remember, the phone was on airplane mode, and I asked you why. Miss World was there all along. I had no idea. I had no freaking idea. I had no freaking idea. Yes, just yesterday I told you, babe, I want to see you more often.
So from the video wey be say una watch, you go see the tears for the girl eye. She was literally crying. Dey state say anytime wey be say she dey call the lamba, e go put the phone for airplane mode so that the thing no go. So I go just give short explanation of how Queen take born her pikin for Ghana without the help of Lord Lamba and the family. So this Queen, this girl na girl wey be say she don dey in love with Lamba, so much in love, and all of us see the way Queen dey behave. Now once she dey in love with a man like this, she go dey do everything for am. I dey use white money as example. The way she take treat white money when white money dey inside the house, you go see say the girl, she's a very loving person. So when e come turn am say the pregnancy, she find out say she dey pregnant, a lot of people tell her say make she remove the belle, but her love for the Lamba, she no gree remove the belle. To her, she dey hope say one day everything go work out. And from wetin we hear for online, we dey hear talk say Lord Lamba, he was not interested in the pregnancy. He was not even ready to have a child with Queen, person wey be say come from Akwa Ibom state, and you know say Lord Lamba na from Anambra. So as the belle dey come out, the belle never even come out when Queen travel go Ghana because of the backlash and everything wey be say dey go on with her for Nigeria here. She can't go that side, can't dey there until she give birth. But now some of her friends now follow her go that side to go dey help her out. Lamba on the other hand, for once that guy no visit Ghana. It was agreed that Lord Lamba say when when she wan born during her pregnancy, say he go come dey assist her, but that one no ever happen. Instead, in dey make the girl cry for phone every single day. The burden, the come be as if the problem too much for the girl, because now she dey pay for the accommodation and the feeding wey be say she dey stay for that side, all those type of thing. I think what affect her to the extent say she can't dey go broke. So fast forward to after she born finish, she can't come back to Nigeria. Still problem the girl come dey face from both Lord Lamba and im mama. The whole story na allegedly, because I no dey there when e happen. Na exactly wetin I hear na drop for una so. So at the end of everything, it turned out say Lord Lamba show Queen Shengi Banza. From the very first day wey be say this girl announced this her engagement, na the thing touch pass, because I see a different, I don already see the story even before the story even start to dey come out. Because for a woman like that to wey just born a year ago, to see a man wey be say go love her just like that, all those type of things, you suppose know say she go don see shege from her baby daddy, and I go make her move on with her life. So I dey very happy for the girl. I no care wetin anybody talk, I dey very very happy for her. For Lamba mind, in na Prince Charming. Na wow, see am na wetin Igbo man reject, Yoruba man don collect am put am for house, you still dey cry. Well, no evil eye go see her, because that girl, from the tears wey be say I see for that video wey be say she dey cry, so I no wan hear anything wey anybody dey tell me anymore. I wish her well. So onto beauty matter, beauty don come out come flaunt her new Lamborghini. From wetin we dey hear, dey say na person na gift her. We no know who gift her actually, but na big congratulations to her. E no easy, red one for that matter. Those of una wey be say wan come out come dey talk say na sugar daddy, this one, wait until you start to make money from online. At that time you go know say money dey online. People made it from online. So congratulations to her anyways, whether they gift her, whether na she buy am, it doesn't really matter. The most important thing is say she's now a Lamborghini owner. Una take care, una bye.